Alright guys, this is the second part of this 2010 Kia Soul thermostat and engine coolant temperature sensor replacement. And this car has a code of P0128 pertaining to your coolant system. So guys, I already put back or installed the thermostat and a brand new coolant temperature sensor. And now we are going to put coolant here guys, and let's check if there's a leak. Alright guys, let's pour some coolant. And let's check for any leaks. I don't hear. Seems like no leak guys. One sec. Unfortunately guys, there's still a leak. See that? See, my gloves is dry guys, and if I touch it under here, I can feel, see, that's coolant. So guys, it wasn't fixed yet, so we have to redo it again. Oh my god. So the way we do it is no good guys. See this? Sweat. Now we have to redo it again guys. Guys, well, also guys, there is a lock washer in here, so don't forget to remove that. This one. Oh well guys, we have to do it. Lock washer. Just why it's leaking. Anyway, remove the whole thing and let's inspect. This is the one that we put on guys. Look at, I don't know what's, it's just that guys, I'm wondering if it still needs a gasket or an o-ring, because when I searched it, they didn't put any rubber o-ring on the thermostat, so probably just sneak this in there and then put a gasket on the top, like just sneak in here. Doesn't need any o-ring, that is fits perfectly if there's no rubber o-ring on it. I'll show it to you. See this guys, no rubber o-ring. This one has no rubber o-ring. Now just align it and it perfectly fit that. So there's no like a cup or anything. Probably I will be doing like this and then put some silicone or adhesive. I'm just gonna clean this up and then tie that technique. Alright guys, I'm ended up removing the rubber gasket, and as you can see here guys, it fits well. See that guys? No gap at all. So I think this one doesn't need a rubber gasket. So look at, it's really fit well. And then just put this paper gasket on the top, and yeah, and also put some silicone adhesive in here, and it's not gonna leak. See that? There you go. I'm gonna clean this more and then let's do this way. Alright guys, I already put the thermostat without the rubber o-ring. Now I'm gonna put this gasket. So this is just a cheap paper gasket. So you can remove this. This one is sticky guys, but I'm still gonna put some this sealant. This is a fast drying, so I'm still gonna put over here. And at the back too. Now guys, let's put on the housing gasket. So let's put it slowly. There you go. Now guys, double check your work, and now make sure also the housing is dry. Now you could put this housing too. Okay guys, let's put this. There you go. Then just press in here. Now we could put this. Sorry guys if I'm blocking the view. I have to do it as fast as I can. So I'm gonna use my cordless rocket. There you go. guys, lock washer. Don't forget to put on your lock washer and tighten it. Good. Then tighten it with your ratchet. Okay. Here. Oh. I think that's it. Don't tighten it. So let's leave this for a few, I think an hour or 2 hours, and then let's pour some coolant and let's see if it's still gonna leak. I think this is the best way to do it. Remove the rubber o-ring so it will fit on that hole. Anyway, let's see the result after a couple of hours. Alright guys, it's been a while and I think it's dry now. So let's try to put coolant on and let's see if still there's a leak. Let's check. Ooh. Seems like it's dry. No leak guys, yes. Alright, let's fill it up again. Alright guys, that's the coolant. And here guys, look at my hand, it's dry. I'm gonna touch it here, and as you can see guys, still dry. So I think no more leak. Yeah. Alright guys, I think that's it. We're just gonna put everything back and then let's start the car. I'm not gonna show you anymore guys how to put it back. It's pretty straightforward. And yeah guys, again, in putting this thermostat guys, don't put this rubber o-ring. Just put this thermostat without the rubber o-ring and it will fit well. And then put some silicone on the housing gasket and you'll be good. So guys, I think that's it. So if you had any question guys, any suggestion, please comment down below and consider like and subscribe my channel too. That's all for today guys, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.